Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. Today I would like to present our research entitled The Effect of Virtual Physical Exercise on Mental Health Status During COVID-19 Outbreak. I am the representative of this team and my name is Diana Zulaika binti Abdul Ghani, and our team is from School of Education, Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities, University Technology Malaysia. As for the introduction, COVID-19 pandemic had been spread throughout the world started in December 2019. In March 2020, Malaysian government had to declare lockdown orders and implement movement control orders, the MCO, to prevent the further spreading of the COVID-19 virus until today. We are still having the MCO. Additionally, we have the CMCO, the conditional movement control order, RMCO, the recovery, and also EMCO, the enhanced movement control order. Before the MCO implemented, active community has been involved with group exercise outdoor, such as yoga, aerobic, either at the centers of open recreational parks. After the MCO implementation, it forced individuals to stay quarantined at home and reduce any insignificant movement out of their home, and this heavily affected daily routine of oneself. According to many previous studies, has shown that due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation, psychological disorder has increased and becoming worse. Social distancing could give effect on various mental health such as anxiety, stress, and depression, and many more. In this situation, World Health Organization encourage people to enhance mental and physical activities at home. Therefore, several individuals or fitness organization has taken initiative to set up activities and exercises using technology to connect everyone remotely in order to overcome movement restriction problems due to this quarantine order. However, there are still lack of studies related to this issue to search for the benefit of having this virtual program towards the community, especially on the mental health issue. Therefore, the objective of this study is to analyze the effect of virtual physical exercises on mental health and also to measure the mental health status through the level of depression, anxiety, and stress during MCO implementation due to this COVID-19 pandemic outbreak before and after involving with the virtual physical exercise, the VPE program, and also to determine whether depression, anxiety, and stress are correlated to each other and can be reduced through exercise virtually. This is the methodology of this study, where this study used quantitative design, a quantitative study within the region in Malaysia. This study involved 100 participants from active community all around southern region community in Malaysia, and the instrument used for this study was modified DAS questionnaire, that is stand for depression, anxiety, stress questionnaire. This survey focused on the daily aspect that might affect individuals in these three sub-elements for the mental health status. And it was distributed using online platform through Google Form, and responses from the participant were recorded in the Google Drive. As for the data analysis, Smart PLSM was used for the relationship between depression, anxiety, and stress for the mental health status and its effect following the VPE program. This is the finding of this study, where for the mental health status, you can see that the overall before participant involved with the virtual physical exercise program, the percentage for depression, anxiety, and stress indicator is very high. However, after they join and involved with the VPE program, the percentage has reduced significantly. And this is the mean for DAS score, where we can see that it's clearly shown that the result before and after is obviously significantly reduced. And this showed that the VPE program has given positive impact to the mental health of the participant. This is the model of depression, anxiety, and stress using the Smart PLS SAM. The result for PET-T test before and after engaging with the VPE program has shown significant value that is 0.00, indicated that there are significant differences before and after engaging with the VPE program. For discriminant validity, all items are less than 0.85, then the construct are distinct from each other and good to test the hypothesis that we want to study. For path coefficient, the p-value are less than 0.05. Thus indicated that the three factors that are depression, anxiety, and stress are correlated towards each other and also towards the VPE program. As for the overall findings, this study shown that the depression, anxiety, and stress are significantly correlated to each other before and after engaging with the VPE program, thus indicating that the sub-skills in mental health are highly correlated towards physical activity via online medium. As for the discussion, this COVID-19 pandemic has given lots of negative impact and community were forced to change and adapt with new norm of lifestyle to prevent the spreading of the virus. During the MCO, most people are getting high level in stress, anxiety, and depression due to the quarantine situation and social distancing. Therefore, the physical activity and exercise can treat psychological disorder and improve lifestyle. Exercising using virtual reality technology could give effect on mental disorder, especially on anxiety and depression. And this is aligned with the finding of this study. And VPE program gives alternative way of these people, the community, to escape boredom and restriction by engaging with others using technology. And through this VPE program, people can do exercise everywhere, anywhere, and anytime. And it's very convenient. As for the conclusion, the VPE program was significantly influenced and correlated with mental health status in the aspect of depression, anxiety, and stress. Therefore, exercise using technology via online platform and application could help community to maintain healthy lifestyle in the future. And this study was funded by Fundamental Research Grant Scheme under the Ministry of Education Malaysia. That's all. Thank you for your attention.